So first we want to disconnect the power. We can do it two ways. We could either disconnect it from lug 1, or we can do it directly from the transformer if you know where it is. Now we also want to disconnect one of the leads from the batteries. Now that you make sure everything is powered down, you go to your phone line on lug 24, 23, 22, and 21. And what you do is you connect 24 to 22 and you want to splice those together. Now we take 23 and 21 and we splice those together. Now what that ensures is that the phone line in your house will be functioning. Now we take our M2 and the antenna. So we'll take this apart and we'll put the antenna through either hole, it doesn't matter, any hole is fine. We'll put it in there and we'll put it in a spot. It's magnetic, so we can put it on the top, on the side, wherever is accessible. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the yellow lead and we're going to put it on the tip side, which is 23. And we make sure that's snug. Now, after 23, we're going to take the green and put it on 24, which is the ring side. This is your incoming phone line. Make sure that's snug as well. Give it a good tug. Now we take our power leads, which are black and red, and we're going to put that under lug 5, which you probably have other wires in here as well as where your keypad is, maybe some wireless receivers or something, but you just put that in there with everything else. Give it a good tug, make sure it's tight. Now we take the black lead and we put that under lug 4. We screw back on the antenna. And we can take the bread tie twist that comes with it and we can put this back in to neaten it up. And then we tie that back so it's not flopping everywhere. So in review, we're going to put the black lead under lug 4. We're going to put the red lead under lug 5. We're going to put the yellow lead under lug 23. And we're going to put the green lead under lug 24. And you could always reference the inside here, and if you don't have that, it says underneath as well. It'll be imprinted on the circuit board with the actual numbers. Now once all that is done, what you're going to do is you're going to plug it back in. You either plug in your transformer or you take one of your leads and you put it back where it was in lug 1 for power, and you plug your battery back in. Now this will start blinking red when it first powers up, and when you have a strong signal, the light will turn solid red, and just test your system and you're complete.